My service learning project was Phi Theta Kappa, and the advisor or contact person is Tammy Alvaro. Phi Theta Kappa is a nonprofit organization that focuses on 4 hallmarks. These hallmarks are leadership, scholarship, fellowship, and most importantly, service. To start my community service, I volunteered at graduation. While there, I handed out brochures and directed people in the direction they needed to go, whether it had been to open seats or the bathrooms. Next, I volunteered at a leadership convention at Glen Oaks Community College. At the leadership convention, I helped with leadership activities and learned about the effectiveness of teamwork to take back to my chapter. Next comes the Haunters Convention in Chicago. While at the convention, I helped with displays and got ideas to bring back to our fundraiser in October. The next service that I did was volunteer at a pollinator event at Mid-Michigan College. While there, I helped plant native plants around campus and learned about different insects that are pollinators. The final service that I completed was volunteering with Students of Promise. I was a chaperone and made sure the kids stayed safe and had a great, fun-filled day. I learned many things through my time volunteering at these different events like compassion, teamwork, leadership, and most importantly, respect for everyone. I learned each of these aspects cumulatively throughout all the service that I did. I can analyze my experience through the framework of psychology. Psychology is a discipline I chose to help me analyze because meeting different people, I could easily tell their different personalities and behavior. Especially at the leadership convention, Haunters Convention, I could see different personalities because there was such a diverse group of people. I would often watch people and see how they would react to different problems and overall how they behave. Cognitive, psychodynamic, humanistic, and social cognitive approach are all approaches that I used to try to make conversation and to understand someone. Cognitive approaches are hard because these focus on the process of perception, learning, memory, and reason. However, I can tell how good someone's cognitive skills are by looking at what they remembered during the event. A psychodynamic approach is probably one of the easiest because I just look for the personality. A humanistic approach is another easy way to evaluate someone because I just look for what they are passionate about and look at their emotions and feelings toward different activities. Finally, a social cognitive approach is a bit tough, but I tend to look at how well they can remember things that I told them and how well their memory is when speaking to them. This is a great skill to have because if you can analyze someone that you don't even know, you can understand what the best approach is and you can make conversation from that. I'm so glad that I chose Phi Theta Kappa as my service learning project, and I'm so excited to see what my future holds with the knowledge that I gained from this project.